Hello everyone, myself Arshdeep Singh. I am a student of Conestoga College. I am studying project management. Today I am going to giving you an overview on the Mavenlink software. In this video, I will tell you about the all things of Mavenlink. Mavenlink is actually a business solution that helps you to handle all your aspects of your business from initial project conception to project in conclusion in a centralized environment. Mavenlink combines advanced project management, resource planning, collaboration, and financial tasks to look empower business to better understand and take strategic action on their productivity. The nicest part of the Mavenlink is that I can monitor real-time budget and views. It's very simple to comprehend and see where you are in your project. Mavenlink also gives free 10-day trial for use to learn more about the project. The pricing after the trial period will depend on the per user per month. Mavenlink project management enables team to complete projects on time while ensuring client satisfaction. Gantt charts are used by Mavenlink to do this. I will quickly share you my screen to give you an overview of the Mavenlink software. We will start off the Mavenlink project page where we can see the link. Give me a second. So as you can see, this is the Mavenlink website. On the left hand side, we can see the dashboard, projects, template, task, and the settings. On the dashboard, it is very quite simple, but we can have all the specific tools, people, projects, and we all can see in only one dash. On the projects navigation bar, we can see the projects that we created earlier, and we also create new projects from the all projects. This plus tab, add new. I can show you by adding a new project. So from this tab, we can add a new project. You can give you any name of the project. Like here, I can give you an example like any kind of Mavenlink project. We can select the provider and the client. So the interesting part is like we can add start and the due date. We can also give a description. We can also use a template in this software as it is not general in every project. After this, we can create the project. After creating the project, we can see our project from the projects tab into the recent projects. So after creating the project, we can assign our tasks. We can assign the task to different people, and we also can see the time and the cost of the project at only one time. As you can see, this is a task tracker. From this task tracker, when we can fill all the things, we can see all our tasks in a very simple on one dashboard. And here is the dashboard of Gantt chart. As this is a new project, the dashboard is quite simple. I can show you the another one where I have created some of the tasks. So from this overview of Gantt chart, we can show our duration and the status of the project, whether it is started, not started, completed, and how much percentage is completed. From this view, we can also increase our timeline, and we can adjust according to the need of the project. And if the scope changes, we can add duration more. So If I talk about the limitations of this software, the limitations of this software is some financial reporting features, particularly forecasting, are missing from the program. The resource planning interface needs to be more fluid, a better mechanism. Moreover, the dashboard is a pretty average, as we can't make more changes, such as if I want to see the timeline and the project data going on at the same list and time. Mavenlink was a little tricky to get started with at first. I didn't get any instructions on how to get started with Mavenlink, so I was little confused about how to use it at first. But the nicest part of Mavenlink is that I can monitor real-time budget and time entries. The time tracking and timesheets are functional and enable for precise recording of both billable and unbillable hours. Mavenlink allows me to see my dashboard as well as a number of hours that I worked that day. I kept track of my tasks and keep track of my time. I can see whether the tasks I need to work in the future or what I need to focus on now. So overall, project Mavenlink is a project management tool which is available online, and it's an excellent tool, but it still needs more project management centric changes before it can be called at outstanding. Mavenlink to use for making projects is a great option if you want to keep track on your timesheets, evaluation them, and examine period logs in a very simple and easy to use interface. So, uh, people who have employed capacity planning, resource forecasting, and project management also said that they are good. So, we can do a lot of things with this Mavenlink project also. So that's it. I covered all the points of this one. I hope you guys like the video. Thank you.